strawberries, lemon, cream, simple and easy, and Savoiardi. So let's start. Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to use a little bit leftovers that we have. I have usually a lot of leftovers with the lemons when I'm squeezing into salads and everything, so I took on myself a challenge how to reuse them, you know. I got to the point where I have like about 10 frozen lemons, the leftovers in the freezer, defrost them back, cut them into cubes. This is also crushing a little bit the structure of the lemon and bringing some of the juices outside after defrosting. Cut them into cubes, mix them with sugar and let them sit for about 2 weeks. I was surprised, you know, it's like a candy lemon now. It's not bitter at all and it's very nice. So we're going to make like a lemon cake with strawberries and pastry cream. It's going to be delicious also with lady fingers. Not much work to do here, you know, just the pastry cream, build everything and let it sit and serve. So it's a little bit here and there tricky, you know, so make sure to stick around and take notes, and you have all the ingredients and the method of cooking in the description below. So let's start with the pastry cream. Milk already you can put on the stove, let it start warming up. Egg yolks, I'm using about 5. Sugar, not all of it, keep part of the sugar to whip with the cream. Cornstarch and small touch of salt. We're going to whisk our mixture. No worries, everything is going to come together. Beautiful. When the milk start to warm up, we're going to add it while whisking the egg mixture slowly. Beautiful. When you have everything in the bowl, we're going to pull everything back, and put it on the stove and start cooking it. 4, 5 out of 9, slowly. We want to thicken everything and don't leave it by itself, Consistently stir it. You're going to see that we have foam on top. It's going to disappear. Then it's going to thicken. You're going to start feeling that the mixture is starting to thicken. Just lift a little bit the pot and beautiful. Before we're going to put it into the bowl, a little bit lemon zest. Usually again, I'm squeezing the lemons into a salad. So we don't want to throw to waste, everything. So usually before squeezing, I'm taking the zest, freezing it in the freezer and using it whenever I want. We're going to add a touch of lime zest to this, whisk it, and now we're going to put it into a bowl. And we're going to let it chill completely. Meantime, we're waiting for the pastry cream to chill completely. We're going to start work on the whipped cream and on the preserved lemons. We're going to give some flavor to them, and also we're going to add a little bit strawberries. The lemon here with the sweetness, like lemon candy, sour sweet, and the strawberries for the freshness. For the sweetness and the sourness and everything, we need also a little bit kickness. Homemade limoncello. So usually I'm using vodka, with lemons and everything. So we're going to use a little bit of it to give a nice kick. So we're going to take our preserved lemons, put them in a bowl. Some of the syrup we're going to put in the whipped cream, so keep it aside. Use most of the lemons. Strawberries, the bigger one, we're going to take and cut. And we're going to mix them with the lemons. To this, we're going to add 1, 2, 3 spoons of limoncello with the zest. Mix. Make sure to taste, yeah? If it's a little bit bitter, add a little bit more sugar. If you want a little bit more acidity, you can add fresh lemon squeezed. Or if you want more strawberries, you can add also in this point if you want chopped mint. I don't have, I try to find, but sometimes it's difficult. So if you want, you can add also mint or other spices. If you add in something extra and it's interesting, let me know in the comments below. So we're going to mix it. Also, I want to really thank you for watching this channel, and if you enjoyed this video also, give it a like, yeah? So let's start with the whipped cream. We're going to mix 300 milliliters of whipped cream, vanilla extract, couple of drops. We're creating like type of layers of flavors. The top one going to be the whipped cream with the vanilla, you know. After that we're going to have the Savoiardi with the fruits, and the bottom is going to be the pastry cream. So each time you're going to take, you're going to eat, you're going to have the levels of flavors. Let's add the sugar also, and we're going to start mixing it. I'm using brown mixer, hand blend mixer. If you want to look for it, we're going to find it also in the description below. So let's start whisking it. So when we have everything ready and done, let's move everything and start building it. We're going to keep everything in a tray, yeah? Try to use a tray that it's clear so you can see the layers and everything. So let's start with the pastry cream on the bottom. Then we're going to layer the Savoiardis. And beautiful limoncello with the preserved lemons and the strawberries, yeah? Put it on top with the juices, very nice. And the leftover pastry cream. And when you have everything already in the tray, just the whipped cream, we're going to take a piping bag, yeah? This is just for decoration, you know? Piping bag, give it a nice shape. Take some of the whipped cream, everything else into the tray and flatten it to make it nice. This is a different video, so make sure to stick around. Also, if you like this recipe or the other one, please give it a thumbs up if you like it. We put in here a lot of effort in this. So when the cake or like mousse, lemon mousse is chilled completely, we're going to decorate it a little bit, yeah? Just cut a couple of strawberries, freshness, and also, how without, you know, lemon zest. Beautiful. And if you have mint, decorate with mint. I will tell you the truth, I tried 3 stores, I went, no store without any mint. Not peppermint, not regular mint, not nothing. I don't know why. So, time to dig in. So, let me know how you find this recipe in the comments below. Also, again, if you like this type of recipes, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And stick until the next week, because we have something different coming up. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Andre. This is ThinkOFood.